Hello friends. In previous lecture we have discussed about the software coding and coding guideline, as well as we check some of the code review technique, software documentation, and we have discussed about this verification as well as validation process. उसके बाद सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग पे मूव करते हैं. ये जो पोर्शन है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग. वाई सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग इज़ रिक्वायर्ड. प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने वो भी एक सिंपल एग्जांपल से 2 एग्जांपल लिए थे हमने, बल्ब का और सिग्नल का, ट्रैफिक सिग्नल का. टेस्टिंग क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है? जनरली टेस्टिंग इज़ अ प्रोसेस दैट रिक्वायर्ड more efforts than any other software engineering activity. Testing is a set of activity that can be planned in advance and conduct systematically. This may lead to have many defect error in the system being developed. So performance testing by adopting the systematic strategy very important during the development of the software product. So let me start with the testing strategy. Here testing is required for quality product. If you deliver the quality product to the customer, so testing is important. So let me start with the unit testing. What do you mean by unit testing? So unit testing in this type of testing technique that are applied to detect the error from each of the software component individually. Unit, that is called the individual component, that are tested independently, that focus to uncover the error in design and implementation. Various tests that are conducted during the unit test, like module interface, are tested for proper information flow in and out of the program. Then local data are examined. Then integrity, we check the integrity. Boundary condition are tested of the module. All the basic independent paths are tested during the unit testing. All error are handled using the HUL path or proper path after testing. It also checks the software program as well as modules. So in this part, code is checked. It is called the individual unit testing. Driver and stub also covered. Then unit testing is simplified when the component with high cohesion with one function is designed, such as a design the number of test cases are less and one can easily predict or uncover the error. Then integration testing. Integration testing, it focuses on the issue associated with the verification and program construction, as component being interacting with other component. A group of independent components are tested. The objective is to take unit tested component or build a program structure that has been detected by the software design. Some of the testing uncovered in the unit testing: design and construct the software architecture, integrated function or operation at subsystem level, interface and interaction between them, as well as resource integration and environment integration. The integration testing can be carried out using 2 approaches. So integration testing, there cover the 2 approach. First one, that is called the non-incremental integration. incremental integration, and second one incremental integration. So what do you mean by non-incremental integration? A non-incremental integration is given by the Big Bang theory. All the components are combined in advance. The entire program is tested as the whole program is tested and check the result. The set of the error is tested as the whole compiler, like the compiler. Correction is difficult because the isolation of the compilated size of the entire program. Once the error are corrected, the new one will be appear. This process continues infinitely. So what is the advantage of Big Bang theory? Here the non-incremental approach use the Big Bang approach. So this approach is simple, but some of the advantage: it is hard to debug, it is not easy to isolate the error while testing, and after performing the testing, it is impossible to form an integrated system. So it is the top-down integration, bottom-up integration, as well as regression testing and smoke testing. 4-part cover in the incremental testing. We move on the incremental testing. So second one that cover the incremental testing, that cover the first one top-down testing, second bottom-up, third one regression, and fourth one that is called the smoke testing. These are the incremental integration. Then what do you mean by top-down integration? So top-down testing is an incremental approach in which modules are integrated by moving down through the control structure. The module or subordinate the main control module are incorporated into the system either the depth first or breadth first manner. Integration approach can be performed using the some of the step, like it first check the control module used for the test driver and stub, subordinate the stub and replace one at the time of actual module using either the depth or breadth first search. Tests are conducted and each module is integrated, as well as regression testing is conducted to prevent the introduction of the new error. Later we will cover. Then validation testing, next part, that is the validation testing. So the integrated software is tested based on the requirement that desired the product is obtained. In validation testing, the main focus is to uncover error in system input as well as output, then system function and information data, system interface with the external path, user interface, system behavior and its performance. Software validation can perform through the series of black box testing. So validation testing that cover the black box testing. Then after performing the validation test, there are two conditions. The function or performance characteristics are according to the specification are accepted, or second one, the requirement specification are derived and it use the deficiency then the resolve by the establishment of proper communication with the customer. Let me move on the acceptance test. So the acceptance test that cover the alpha test as well as beta test. What do you mean by alpha test? So alpha testing is the testing in which version of complete software is tested by customer under the supervision of developer. This testing is performed at developer side. The software is used in natural setting in the presence of the developer. This test is conducted in the control environment. I repeat, alpha test is the testing in which version of completed software is tested by customer under the supervision of developer. वो कस्टमर चेक करता है लेकिन डेवलपर के मॉनिटरिंग के अंदर कवर करता है. देन दिस टेस्टिंग इज परफॉर्म एट डेवलपर साइड. डेवलपर साइड भी ये परफॉर्म होता है टेस्टिंग. द सॉफ्टवेयर इज यूज इन नेचुरल सेटिंग दैट प्रेजेंस ऑफ डेवलपर. दिस टेस्ट इज कंडक्ट इन द कंट्रोल्ड एनवायरमेंट. Okay, let me check the second approach, that is called the beta testing. So beta testing is a testing in which the version of software is tested by the customer without the developer being present. Here customer check कर पाएगा लेकिन डेवलपर की प्रेजेंस में नहीं, उसकी एब्सेंट में भी वो कर पाता है. This testing is performed at the customer side as there is no presence of developer during the testing. It is not a controlled by the developer. The end user record the problem and report them to the developer. The developer make the appropriate modification. So आपको क्लियर हो गया डिफरेंस अल्फा एंड बीटा टेस्टिंग का. अल्फा टेस्टिंग क्या होता है? द टेस्टिंग इज डन बाय द डेवलपर और बाय द कस्टमर अंडर द सुपरविजन ऑफ डेवलपर इन द कंपनी. वाइल बीटा टेस्टिंग इज डन बाय द कस्टमर विदाउट द प्रेजेंस ऑफ डेवलपर एंड इट डन एट द कस्टमर प्लेस. अल्फा टेस्टिंग, sometime full product is not tested using the alpha test and only core functionality are tested, while beta testing the complete product is tested under the testing such as product is usually given as a free trial version. So ये डिफरेंस हुआ अल्फा एंड बीटा टेस्टिंग का. देन what is the system testing? Let me move on the next part, that is the system test. So system testing, it is the series of tests conduct to the computer based system. Various type of system testing like security testing, recovery testing, stress testing, performance testing, this type of testing covered in the system testing. Some of the testing like system function and performance, reliability, recoverability, recover the test, system installation, check the installation, then system behavior in the special condition, so it is called the stress testing. System under the operation, acceptance test, alpha and beta test also covered. Then hardware and software integration and collaboration, integration of external software and the system. This type of a testing cover in the system testing. So testing approach, testing strategy, ये 7 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. प्रॉपरली आपको 1 by 1 यूनिट टेस्टिंग, इंटीग्रेशन टेस्टिंग, वैलिडेशन टेस्टिंग एज वेल एज सिस्टम टेस्टिंग को एक्सप्लेन करना है. देन ये हमने डिस्कस किया यूनिट टेस्टिंग क्या है, इसका एनवायरमेंट. यूनिट टेस्टिंग एनवायरमेंट लाइक यूनिट टेस्टिंग cover the driver that interface local data structure, boundary condition, independent path as well as error handling path that check 1 by 1, that call the test case, and the result is delivered after performing the each and every module to be tested. So module are also divided into stub. module को जो divide करते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं, stub. So this is the testing environment of unit test. Some of the advantage cover for the unit test, like it reduce the defect in the newly developed features or reduce the bug when changing the existing functionality, reduce the cost of testing as defect as captured in very earlier phase. It improve the design and allow the better refactoring of the code. It use the refactoring means we reuse the program code. Unit test when integrated with build the quality of the build as well as, यहाँ पे हमने यूनिट टेस्टिंग के एग्जाम्पल भी कवर किए लाइक ब्लैक बॉक्स टेस्टिंग यूजिंग विथ द यूजर इंटरफेस इनपुट एंड आउटपुट आर टेस्टेड. वाइट बॉक्स टेस्टिंग इट यूज टू टेस्ट each one of these function behavior test. White box testing also called the behavior testing. Then gray box testing, it use the execute, test, risk and assessment method. सारे ब्लैक बॉक्स एज वेल एज वाइट बॉक्स टेस्ट को प्रॉपरली हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर में कवर करेंगे एडवांटेज एंड डिसएडवांटेज के साथ. यूनिट टेस्ट का अलग से क्वेश्चन भी पूछा जाता है 3 या 4 मार्क्स में, तो आप ये फिगर ड्रॉ करके प्रॉपरली एक्सप्लेन करना. यहाँ ये चैप्टर यहाँ तक रखते हैं. नेक्स्ट पोर्शन जिसमें इंटीग्रेशन टेस्टिंग को प्रॉपरली हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे एंड वैलिडेशन टेस्टिंग क्या है वो भी कवर करेंगे.